Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to change autoplay options for removable drivers on Windows. So go to settings, then enter in devices. On left tab select autoplay, and there are several options available in autoplay defaults. So we're interested in removable drives. You can select any option as per your preference and it will automatically be saved. Okay guys, this is a pretty straightforward, simple process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.